Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Outlook, access Microsoft email step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type outlook.com and press enter. Wait for the Outlook website to load completely. Click the sign in button on the page. If you are redirected to Microsoft login, stay on that page. In the email, phone, or Skype field, enter your Microsoft email address. Make sure you type the address correctly, including at outlook.com, at hotmail.com, or your work/school domain. Click Next to continue. On the password screen, type your Microsoft account password. Check for typing mistakes, because passwords are case sensitive. Click Sign in to log in to your mailbox. If you see the Stay Signed In prompt, choose Yes for a personal device. Choose No if you are using a public or shared computer. If your account uses two-step verification, look for a code request on your phone or Authenticator app. Enter the verification code exactly as shown. If you are asked to approve a sign-in request, tap Approve on your mobile device. When Outlook opens, confirm you are in the inbox on the left side. If you do not see your inbox, click the mail icon to switch to email view. To verify it is your account, click your profile icon or initials in the top right corner. Check that the displayed email address matches your account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the password page. Follow the recovery steps to reset your password using email, phone, or security questions. If you are signing in on the Outlook app, open the app and tap Add Account. Select Outlook.com or Microsoft 365 depending on your email type. Enter your email address, tap Continue, then enter your password. Allow any requested permissions so the app can sync your mail, calendar, and contacts. If sign-in fails, double-check your email, password, and internet connection, then try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.